Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, in front here I have 4 model kits cars. So what are model kits car? They are plastic, they are not die cast, and you have to fix them. Okay, for example, this is a 132 scale Nissan Skyline. So you get something like this. There's the body of the car, chassis, seats, rubber tires, the plastic window piece, the rims, the front bumper, and you have to fix them. I have 2 of them. I fix one. Leave this for later. So yeah, after fix you have to paint. You only have the box art as a reference, or you can paint whatever color that you like. Now the different from buying a die-cast car is this one you get to fix, glue it together and paint the color that you like. But sometimes yeah, it's a bit of hassle, a lot of work, and sometimes the painting is not that good. It's not as perfect as the factory made die-cast, but you get to do it yourself. So for those who enjoy doing it, I do. It's okay. It's not a hassle. So this is the Nissan Skyline. I've painted 2 colors. The roof is brown. The body is beige. In the box art, I think the body is white. The roof is brown. And I paint the interior red. You have red seats. Okay, next is this little car, a Mazda Carol. Here it is, 1962. I also paint. This one have a beige body, which is correct, but the roof is red. I've painted brown as well, because I don't have that much red paint. I want to paint the interior red. I don't want that much red. And there's the lights. So this is a small car. Then we even have modern vehicle, the Toyota Celsior, also known as the Lexus LS400. This is white in 2-tone, white and this light gray. Beige interior, I use the same beige paint on the interior so we can see the interior. There's some flaw over here, if you can see it. Yeah, here on the pillar. But that's okay because I built the car myself. And then there's this yellow van. It's a Daihatsu Mira walk-through van. It's a van that sells takoyaki, which is octopus. So again, this is the van. This is a decal. Use a thin marker pen to draw the lines. So this is a weird van. It's based on the Daihatsu Mira, and then they have a high body That's why it's called a walk-through. You can walk inside. It's high enough. So thank you for watching. Though it's not diecast, but these cars are very nice. Thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.